everybody. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting to be here because today I am going to debut the April 2021 card kit to go from Stamping to Share. And it's a sweet one. It's the sweet ice cream bundle. So my goal is to bring out the kid in you today and to have you decide whether or not you'd like to participate. It's going to be fabulous. So I think what I'm going to do is flip the camera down and just get right into this really cute kit. All right, here we go. So the first thing I want to talk about are the colors that we're using, because these are ink pads you'll want to have on hand when you get your kit to go in the mail from me. It is these are really cute colors that go great with this kit to go, and that's why I picked them to work with. So let me just go over what these colors are. We've got Bermuda Bay, so you'll want to be sure to have this ink pad on hand, Old Olive, Terracotta Tile, and the last ink pad that I used on these cards is Blackberry Bliss. Now, the ink pads are not included in the kit to go, but you are always welcome to adjust your kit to go to include them. So that would just be a private adjustment between you and me, and we would work it out. So you can just contact me to add those colors if you need them. Just an FYI, the Terracotta Tile will be retiring. It's an in color that is going away. So make sure that if you have this stamp pad, or you're planning on getting it, get the ink refill at the same time. All right, so let's move this out of the way and talk about the basic kit. The basic kit in my card kit to go includes an entire full pack of the Ice Cream Parlor Designer Series paper, and it's a beauty. So I've got a full pack here to show you what it looks like. It also includes the Blackberry Bliss striped ribbon, so you'll get a full container of that, a full container of the Ice Cream Corner sprinkles, and a full set of the foam adhesive strips, because yes, you better believe it, we're going to make a shaker card, because it's just something we have to do to bring out the kid in you. Your basic kit will also include all of the setups to make 8 cards, 4 designs, 2 cards each, and then you will also get a happy stamper token, and it includes shipping and handling. So now let's take a look at the Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper. I went ahead and I put this together so that you could get a good idea of all the different pieces of paper that come in this paper pack. So as you can see, there's 12 different colors that we're working with, and they are darling. The ones that will be retiring, I mentioned the Terracotta Tile, and also the Purple Posy will be going away. And I love the Purple Posy cardstock because it coordinates so well with the Blackberry Bliss paper. In a few minutes, I'll show you the cards, and you can see how I use those 2 colors together. All right, so let's set that aside. Then you might be wondering, well, what if I need the stamp set and the punch? No problem. That's when you order the deluxe kit to go. The deluxe kit to go is $85, and it will include the sweet ice cream stamp set and the the ice cream builder punch. It will also include that happy stamper token. When you collect 10 of them, you get a free stamp set from me. And it will also qualify you for my customer gift of the month. So let me share that with you. And unfortunately, I can't share a full pack because I didn't know if this was going to retire or not. So I am down to an open pack to share with you. But you can just use your imagination and imagine it brand new. Because if you purchase the deluxe kit to go, you will get for free a wonderful set of Artistry Blooms self-adhesive backed sequins, or self-adhesive sequins, or adhesive backed sequins. I think that's what they call it. So that is going to be included with your deluxe kit to go. Those are great for adding really pretty accents to your spring and spring and summer cards. All right, so there are going to be a few add-ons to this kit when you go to the registration page. I will be sending out all of that information in my customer newsletter later today. And so, well, actually, it's a customer announcement email that you'll be receiving if you're on my email list. But one of the things that you can add on is multi-purpose liquid glue, because that is how we're attaching some of the accents on our ice cream cards. And so you will need that in order to get these cute little accents on your cards. The other thing that we'll be adding on, you can get this as an add-on if you would like to make more shaker cards, because of course all of your card setups will include what you need to put the cards together, but you might want another set of window sheets. So that is also an add-on for you. All right, I know you're ready. You're ready to see these really, really cute cards. So I am not going to delay any longer and show them to you. The cute cards include a set of birthday cards, and they look like this. Aren't they so adorable? And you can see that I am using the multi-purpose liquid glue to attach those darling little sequins to each of the ice cream cones. And then this is what the inside looks like. The next set of cards is a thank you card. So we've got our thank you card right here. It looks just like this. You'll get 2 different pieces of paper, so you can make some with really cool treats that look like this and ice cream cones that look like this. 2 styles of thank you cards. And of course they have the corresponding fussy cut item on the inside. The next card I'm going to share with you is super fun because it is a fun fold card. I love doing fun folds in my kits to go. And so this one looks like this. So when you take it out of the envelope, it would look like this. You'll get to make 2 colors. So you'll get to make a Bermuda Bay one, and you'll get to make a Calypso Coral one. And so when you open it up, the fun fold looks like this. Well, first you can open it up like this, and then you can see that it goes together like this to create a super cute fun fold. So that is how this one goes together, surely to bring out the kid in you. And then the final card is the shaker card. Now I want to mention Paper Pumpkin this month is doing a so cool paper pumpkin kit. And just serendipity, I happen to be doing the sweet ice cream bundle kit. So if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, this kit is going to work really well with this month's Paper Pumpkin. And here are the shaker cards. Oh my gosh, they're so fun. Look at that. So this is the final card in the kit to go. And I do want you to know that in addition to our basic kit for $50 and our deluxe kit for $85, I also offer a special for my downline members, and my downline members get to get the kit to go for $20. It does not include product, but it is all of their setups to make the cards. And the second thing that I do is I offer a PDF only. So if you are a demonstrator and just want the instructions for how to put these cards together, that is $10, but it will not be emailed to you until I send out the kits to go, which will be coming up the very end of April. All right, everyone, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.